Hello everyone, today we're going to learn 3 useful English idioms that you can use every day. Snowed under, take a rain check, and it never rains but it pours. First of all, we'll watch a short scene between 2 co-workers and then I'll explain the meaning of these phrases. Let's get to it. Hey Brian, are you coming to the company party today? No, I'll take a rain check. That's a bummer. I finally got some time off from my wife and nobody seems to be in the mood for a party. I really don't feel like going. It's like my whole world is falling apart. My car broke down, I lost my phone, and I'm snowed under with work. It never rains, but it pours. Exactly. Take a rain check. Take a rain check. Take a rain check means to decline something with the intention of doing it later. For example, would you like to go for dinner tonight? No, I'll take a rain check. But maybe we could go for dinner some other time. Snowed under. Snowed under. When you're snowed under with work, it means that you have a lot of work. It's like you're buried under a pile of documents and emails that you need to answer to. For example, this whole week I have been snowed under with work. It never rains, but it pours. It never rains, but it pours. Now, pour itself means to rain heavily. And the expression, it never rains, but it pours, means that when bad things happen, they come all at once. For example, my car broke down, I lost my phone. It never rains, but it pours. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to receive more English tips like this. See you in the next video.